Hi everyone. Today, I'm going to show you how to design a flyer mockup in Photoshop using this image. You can download the image for practice. The link is in the description below. Let's get started. First, select the rectangle tool from the toolbar. Then, click and drag to draw a rectangle. In the Properties panel, set the width to 8.27 inches and the height to 11.52 inches, which is the standard size for A4 paper. Set the fill color to gray and make sure the stroke is set to none. This will be the base for our flyer mockup. Now, select the rectangle layer from the Layers panel. Right-click on it and choose Convert to Smart Object. This allows us to add any design later and keep it fully editable. Rename the Smart Object layer to Place Design here. Reduce the opacity so you can properly align it over the flyer in the image. With the Smart Object layer still selected, press Ctrl+T to activate the free Transform tool. Right-click inside the Transform box and choose Distort. Now, carefully drag each corner of the Smart Object to match the corners of the flyer in the photo. Zoom in to ensure the edges are perfectly aligned. Next, right-click again and choose Warp. From the options at the top, select a 4x4 grid for more precise control. Begin adjusting the handles to follow the curves of the flyer. This part is important. Take your time here. Start by aligning all the outer edge points and corners. Once the borders are in place, move on to the middle handles. These control how your design will bend with the natural curve of the paper. Use each control point to gently follow the flyer's fold, especially along the curved base. Check from all angles to ensure the warp looks realistic. Once you're happy with the placement, press Enter to apply the transformation. Change the blending mode of the Smart Object layer to Multiply to blend the design with the shadows of the image. Reset the opacity back to 100%. Now, double-click on the Smart Object thumbnail to open it in a new window. Go to File, Place Embedded and choose the flyer design you want to insert. Resize it as needed and press Enter. Then, save and close the Smart Object window. Your design will now appear on the mockup. To match the lighting and shadows in the original photo, add a Curves Adjustment layer above all layers. Select the Hand tool inside the Curves panel and click on areas in the image where you want to either lighten or darken the tones. Make subtle adjustments until the design blends naturally. Once done, close the panel. And that's it. Your flyer mockup is ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more design tutorials.